What's up, guys? I wanted to talk about algorithms from a user's perspective and how it affects our minds. I don't know about you, but the algorithm for me always tries to push me towards the normie side and progressively tries to feed me more and more degenerate content. No, that's not what I want. I want stuff that push me towards success, content that has some value. But the fact is, these algorithms are built to get you hooked and to spend time on the app as much as possible, right? To be a consumer, a mindless consumer. You don't want to be that, right? Everyone has a past. For example, if you played video games or like listened to certain type of music or had a hobby that you don't want to identify with anymore, and you're still using the same account that you used to use, then the algorithm still remembers it, and from time to time it shoves it to you again because it knows it's a part of you, like your personality, I guess. It builds an image of your personality and stuff that interests you or did in the past. And that's why this algorithm can be a double-edged sword, meaning that it can be used for good and bad, but mostly it pushes you towards the bad side if you don't understand it and don't regulate it. That's why the regulation of your feed is so important, and there are tools. Like, for example, on YouTube, you can click on the three dots and click I don't want to see this anymore, or don't recommend this to me, or something like that. And many other social media apps have that. And I think like it's so important because everything that we see can trigger our emotions, memories, thoughts, desires, ideas, and things like that. So because of that, to make a change of your life, you might even want to make a new account and follow just the accounts that you really want to follow and just consume the positive feed for yourself. And even then, the algorithm still tries to shove you the normie stuff. Many people underestimate what they see in their feed. They just don't think of it much, but it has a huge impact on the way you think, which, what ideas come to your mind. Not so long ago, I went on my older account when I used to be a gamer, like heavy gamer, and it was showing me all this video game content, and I told to myself, this title looks interesting, you know. I couldn't resist, I wanted to know what the content was about, so I clicked on it, and then it started recommending me more and more of the video game content. And I went down a spiral. Fast forward, I lost 3 weeks of my time, my free time, playing video games and accomplished nothing. Yeah, I played video games instead of working on my goals, which are more important to me, you know. Because these videos triggered and rejuvenated the old neurological pathways in my brain, which I wanted to let go of, but because of the fact that everything you do becomes a part of you, the pathways were still there and they got activated and I relapsed. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video.